Oh my god. Seriously man, this used to be a funny meme when Apple removed the headphone jack, but holy shit, this is really happening. Like no jokes, this is real. Hold your hearts because the iPhone 12 Pro will not include the inbox charger and the earbuds. This is big, groundbreaking stuff and I might lose my monetization over this, but fuck you Apple, fuck you in the ass. This brings nothing but bad news for Apple customers and even Android users. Let me explain. So this information comes from Apple analyst Ming Chi Kuo. The guy has an excellent track record of Apple predictions, so if he says that there will be no charger and earbuds, then there probably won't be the charger and earbuds in the case. The reason he explains is that Apple is taking this decision to keep the prices of the iPhone 12 Pro similar to the iPhone 11 Pro. Because of the new components of the iPhone 12 series like 5G and stuff, the only way to keep the price down is not to include a charger and earbuds in the box. Hey Apple, I have one more idea by which you can sell the iPhone 12 for much cheaper. Just sell the empty box for $100. Wow, brain blast. Removing important stuff and accessories is not a way to keep the price low. Even if including the charger and earbuds increases the price by $50, I'm gladly willing to pay that money. Because these accessories will cost more if you buy them later from Apple compared to the cost Apple had to increase if they were present in the box. The current price of the charger and earbuds combined is $80 if you buy it from Apple. But if they were included in the box, no way they would have costed $80. 50? Maybe with a stretch. But not 80. So either way, we are losing money to Apple, and you know, that's what they want. They know how to squeeze every penny from us. That's how they became the most profitable company on earth. Now there will be people saying that it's okay because we already have chargers lying around, and I understand completely. But usually, we poor people, we sell our old phones when we get a new one. That means we are also giving away the charger and we don't have 100 phones lying around, so we will have to buy the charger separate. Also, there's a point to be made that Apple users who afford $1,000 phones can pay a bit more for the charger, and I get that. But the thing I'm worried more about are the idiot Android phone makers. Something tells me that those idiots, especially the Chinese ones, will see this as a new way to make more money, and soon we will stop seeing inbox chargers from the Android phones as well. And that's what scares me the most. If you tell me right now that Android phones won't follow this trend, then I'm okay. But you know, Android phones will copy whatever Apple does. Apple removed the headphone jack and Android didn't had to, but the Chinese were very quick to remove it as well. The Koreans kept it for longer, LG still has it. Thank you LG. Mwah. So with the continuous increasing prices of the Android parts, I can see Huawei, OnePlus and Oppo just selling the phones alone. And that's what scares me the most. At the end, I must add that Ming Chi Kuo said Apple will remove the charger and the earbuds. He didn't elaborate what exactly he meant by charger. Will Apple take away just the charging brick or the charger as a whole? Because usually the brick plus the cable is what is called a charger. But TLDR, the cable might or might not be present in the box. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Apple's decision to remove the charger and the earbuds. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give me a like button, say hi to me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.